this video, I'll detail how to use invisible ink on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to send a message on your iMessage with invisible ink, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. When you want to use invisible ink on iPhone, this is what the message is going to look like. So this is what it's called invisible ink on iPhone. Instead, it is now fixable. So if you send this message to anyone on invisible ink, this is what it's going to look like. The message itself is not going to be fixable until the receiver go ahead and click on the message like this. Then it will not make the message visible. So before you can send an invisible ink or use an invisible ink on your iMessage or iPhone, you need to make sure you're running on the latest iOS for your device. Otherwise, you're not able to use the invisible ink. So the first thing to do is go to your iPhone settings, click on General, then tap Software Update. Let your iPhone check for available software update. If there is any update available, go ahead and update your iPhone to it. After that, open the iMessage, then select the contact you want to send invisible ink message to. Click on iMessage and then send the message. I'm going to say this is how to use invisible ink. Then once you type the message, do not send the message straight away. Press and hold the send button like this. Then once you press and hold the send button and you feel the haptics, just come here and click on invisible ink. You can also come here, select screen. You see that? This is what the invisible ink is going to look like. That is send with echo. But here we are interested in sending just invisible ink, and you can see send with invisible ink. Then once you selected invisible ink from the list of options under send with effect, then go ahead and click on the send button. Now once you click on the send button, this message is going to be sent with invisible ink. And if I go to my iPhone where I sent the message to here and then opened it, you should see this is the message. So the messages are sent with invisible ink. See that? So that is basically how to use invisible ink on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.